Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap for Tuesday, October 8th. So, yesterday there was no recap because I didn't take any trades. It wasn't intentional. I just didn't see anything that I really liked. Unfortunately, my Epic Pen is not working right now. I have no idea why, so bear with me. So, what I saw is this opened up fairly weak, popped back up, couldn't quite reclaim VWAP here. Um, so I felt like this was going to be a decent short here. Um, as it was pulling back, I saw a reverse ABCD pattern, but I wasn't really quite sure if this was going to be a short just yet. What I saw in that first 5 minutes, as you can see, it produced this hammer. So I was a little skeptical whether this was going to be a short. Once it started breaking down, it couldn't really reclaim VWAP. That's when I immediately took a short. I started to see the volume coming in. So as you can see, the volume starting to come in there. Um, it did drop and it popped back up. I wasn't really liking the price action. I couldn't get a good read on the level 2 or the time and sale, so I took some partials. So I took a partial here, a partial, and then it came down. I took more partials, and then it popped back up a little bit. So I added a little bit more to my shares because I was fairly confident that this was going to be a good short. But as you can see, I just started partialing on the way down. I just didn't really like the price action here. So this one was a really small winner here. Um, I had the ad. I had the idea was I wanted to get this move. That's what I was looking for, and so I got all out. And usually, when I'm in doubt and I'm not really getting a good read and it's not following through right away, I usually just get out just to be sure because you can always get back in. And I'm glad that I did because as you can see in this 5 minute, we did get a nice little pullback here, coming to VWAP again. So as you can see in the 1 minute, it's testing VWAP. Right when it couldn't reclaim VWAP again, I immediately knew that this was going to be a short. Once it was going to make a new 1 minute low, I took it short. I had about a 30 cents risk here. So it was a good risk reward here. Once I got my 2 to 1, I started taking partials all the way down. And then in this level, it started consolidating a little bit. And as you can see on the 5 minute, it did drop. And then it was printing this nice hammer. Here, I don't know, I got out prematurely just based on I thought that this was going to produce a nice hammer candle and it could potentially be a reversal. Obviously, in hindsight, everything's so clear. What I should have done is I should have just let the rest of my shares ride until it made a new 5 minute high. So it is what it is. I got out fairly early, but I made more than enough of my daily goal on this one trade. So, or these two trades with that ad. So I'm not gonna complain. You know. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow.